Is your girlfriend battling depression? Not quite sure how to help her cope? Today we're discussing how to support your girlfriend when she's going through depression. We'll be talking about the causes of depression, common warning signs, and what you can do to help. So if your girlfriend is struggling, stay tuned to learn more about depression so you can make the difference. Depression is an extremely common mental illness. Although the stigma around it can make it difficult for people to diagnose, recognize, and talk about it, depression can be defined simply as a lack of motivation, but the reality is much more complex. It's a progressive psychological condition that can cause an array of physical and emotional symptoms such as insomnia, fatigue, irritability, weight gain or loss, and withdrawal from friends and activities. Depression can be caused by a number of factors. For example, if your girlfriend is dealing with family issues, relationship issues, financial issues, stress at work, or domestic violence, these external issues can all contribute to depression. In addition, depression can be triggered by genetic, physical health conditions, hormones, and life events. When it comes to spotting signs of depression in your girlfriend, it's important to know what to look for. Common warning signs include feelings of hopelessness, lack of energy, difficulty concentrating, changes in eating habits, restlessness and agitation, and loss of motivation. Once you've identified the cause of your girlfriend's depression, it's time to start helping her. The best thing you can do for someone with depression is to be supportive and provide emotional and practical support. This can include understanding their situation, listening to them and their concerns, and allowing them time to process their emotions. In addition to offering support, you can suggest therapies and treatments that can help. These can include cognitive behavioral therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes such as a regular exercise, a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. If your girlfriend is feeling down, it's important to remind her to take some time for herself and do something she enjoys. Doing something fun can be a great way to lift her mood and help her cope with her depression. It is also important to show your girlfriend compassion and understanding. This can be a difficult time for both of you, and making sure she knows that you are there for her is essential. Having a strong support system can make a significant difference in someone's life and go a long way to helping them in their recovery. Finally, if your girlfriend needs professional help, it's important to encourage her to seek help. Talking to a doctor, mental health professional, or therapist can be an invaluable source of help, advice, and support. Depression can be a difficult and complex condition to deal with, but with your love and support, your girlfriend will be able to get through it. Remember to show her compassion and understanding, encourage her to seek professional help, and offer her any emotional and practical support she needs. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our latest videos.